Hey folks, thanks for tuning in to another GA Canine training video. I know I've been a little bit slack on putting these together the last couple of weeks, but we've had some pretty special schools and I just haven't had the capability to do it. However, this video is fantastic. This is of Young Haven working in a rainstorm for the very first time. She's only a 4-month-old puppy, and the length and the difficulty of this trail through some pretty contaminated areas plus the rain is absolutely amazing. This backyard is heavily contaminated with a lot of animal scent. The dogs are walked back here. She has to work through all of this and isolate and find the trail, plus put up with the rain for the first time ever in any of her practice tracks. She does a fantastic job of doing all of it. But more importantly, the handler does a great job of just being patient and taking his time and not pushing her through anything.
That's it right there. Good. 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 Yep. Let her drive and let her give her some speed too.
Okay.
Remember, she's a puppy, so we always want to
just go with her.
Yep. Go with her. Let her work this one hard. Okay. Watch her. You can even drop that lead if you have to, when she goes around an obstacle. Woo! Yay! Had a good girl! Yavo! Get away and do a runaway?
Pretty good. Give
Yeah.
it to
Sure.
and the radio.
And run. Woo! Just let her go and let her go.
Get up.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching young Haven do her thing. She's going to be an amazing trailing prospect. If you like what we do, if you have an interest in our training, make sure you check out my new book. It's called The Tao of Trailing. You can also train with us at our Edisto facility, www.gacanine.com.